I am currently taking out the spare tire. Yep. The donut in here, so I'm using this tool here, and I'm replacing it with a full spare tire. Yep. I think this is still in good condition, so I'm just gonna keep it. Look at this dirt and grime stored here over time. I don't know how old is this spare tire. So the spare tire isn't that bad. It's not like rusted compared to the other spare tires on Hondas and Acuras. Yeah, this is still like intact. So the spare is 19 years old, almost 19 years old, 2707, and my replacement full is 2022. Yep, a full-size spare fits in the Acura MDX. Yep. It fits beautifully. Yeah. Even the rear bumper in here